Honey, it takes a lot of work for them. They need to make decisions. Espérate, Cevita. ¿Te ayuda? Woohoo! She wants to jump. ¿Estás bien? Ay, you are so brave and so talented for balancing and your body control. Vámonos para acá, mi amor. ¿A qué lado? Volteate.
Me too.
Pueden lastimar así. Eso.
Hola.
You guys want to do it again? We can go from there. Muy bien, Amelia, lo hiciste. You guys want to try again? One more time?
I don't want to do it again. I see a lady with look.
Wow, guys, look, I'm so lucky. Come over here.
What?
There's a ladybug on me. Where do you guys see it? Or is it camouflage?
Right there.
Right there. Look at the ladybug.
Okay. Guys, can I see them?
Say excuse me, excuse me.
I want to put in YouTube.
Maybe the ladybug likes me because I'm so warm. Maybe stuck. Because this fabric is... Oh, he likes you.
No, he's fun.
What? It fell. Put it back on your finger. Let's take care of you. You wanna take it home? Guys. You keep on falling. You keep falling down. So will your head. Let's explore this garden, Manny. Maybe we can find more insects. Manny, come on, let's explore. Oh, guys. Wait, that's a big ladybug. Is that a giant ladybug? In there. What?
You wanna hold it?
Who wants to hold it? Is that a real ladybug?
No!
It's a plastic ladybug.
This one is the real one.
Yeah, and how did you know it's not a real one? Say, can you share?
It was on the floor.
A ver, Chavita, your friend wants to look at it too. We are gonna all share.
Why are we not going?
So can I
It's
see
gonna be
it?
too late.
Oh, is that a real one, honey? Martini? Yeah, we can take it. Then look. You can put your finger inside. It's like a puppet. How about if you put your finger inside? And what happened? What? Oh, there. Yeah, Jackie's gonna help them. This one you guys need help because this is too high. Okay, Gianna, let's keep walking. You guys try it ready. One opportunity only because everybody needs. Hey, vámonos. And Miss Jackie's gonna have to take care of
Do you like ladybugs?
Oh,
you
you got
in your
one
hand?
on you.
You want to put it in your
Let's
hand?
keep
It's going to be
walking.
stick with you.
Let's go on a
Oh,
different
thank you.
adventure.
Stick with you, huh? But the later fall, okay?
Let me
No, we're gonna just stay. How big are the tires? Look at the Martín, you want me to help you? ¿Quieres que te cargue, Martín?
Vamos a caminar, vénganse pequeños. Vámonos a ver.
Okay, you wanna walk by yourself?
Amelia, no la arranques, no queremos que le
Don't
pase
you
nada a la
want
flor, vamos a observarla.
Yeah.
We're gonna observe. Flowers, a lot of flowers. ¿Qué pasó, niña?
Another one.
Bye-bye, buen día. Let's wait. We wanna say hi to him and then we're gonna vaya la señora. Come on, friends. Let's keep on walking. Vente, Gianna. Let's go. Go, friend. Vente, Gianna. Gianna, this
Teacher is so lucky because he gives us